Sarah! Sarah!
Yeah. Hello.
Nothing.
What are you up to?
Just kidding. Hey, Sarah.
Yeah.
How do you think it's going with Clopton and Shovell?
I seem to say shovel and you say Shovell. Is that...
Shovell.
I suppose
I
it's
think it
spelled like
works.
that, doesn't it? It is. All right, actually, all right.
Good.
Well, actually, I say that. I was cleaning books this morning. And here's a rather old one, but it's I'm quite fond of it because the different children I know that have had it. And I thought it would just need a bit of cleaning. But guess what I found?
What?
I found they have taken out all the bits of work, and instead of which, we have a photo of them here gargling custard.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but I didn't know they'd done that. I mean, it explains where the custard's all gone. Here's a photo of them bathing in the toilet.
And you weren't tempted to flush?
Together, well, they took the photo, didn't they? I didn't know they'd been doing that.
That is impressive.
I thought someone was peeing on the floor. It turns out that they've just been splashing water everywhere. Yeah, here's another one. Have a look at this one. Poking dog poo with a stick.
Ew.
Yes, very ew. And let's have a look at this one. Ah! You know they went away at the weekend and we thought they might be involved in the riots?
Yeah.
Yeah. It seems that they were headbanging to Norwegian death metal.
Oh, wow. That's a Sons of Llamas concert, Sarah. That's what it translates as.
Sons of Llamas.
Yeah.
Good grief.
They're quite good.
So, the evidence is all here. They were up to no good. Up to no good. Anyway,
Ha!
we'll see them. Bye.